Stationary orbit of the Earth is at a distance of about 36,000 km from the Earth's surface. Find the weight of a 120 kg equipment placed in a geostationary satellite, and the radius of the Earth is given, that is 6400 km. So F equals to how much? We have to find the weight. So F equals to W. So F equals to W equals to G into mass of Earth into mass of Earth into mass of the equipment divided by R square, या फिर R plus H whole square. So that equals to G into mass of Earth divided by R square into R square divided by R plus H whole square into mass of the equipment. So that equals to Gm divided by R square into R square by R plus H whole square. So into mass of the equipment. Gm by R square is G into R square by R plus H whole square. R square divided by R plus H whole square into mass of the equipment. So G value equals to how much? G equals to 9.8. G equals to 9.8 R square divided by R plus H whole square. So R equals to how much? Radius of the Earth is 6400 kilometer. 6400 kilometer divided by R plus H. R plus H is 36,000 kilometer. 36,000 kilometer, then 6400 kilometer. So 0 0 4 6 6 12. So this is 42400. So this is 42400 kilometer whole square. So that is the whole square into mass of the mass of the equipment. Mass of the equipment is 120. So that equals to how much? 9.8. 9.8 kilometer gets cancelled. 0 0 0 0, that also gets cancelled. So this is 64 divided by 64 divided by 64 divided by 424. 64 divided by 424. So this is 0.15. So 0.15 into 0.15. So that equals to 0.02. So that is 0.02. या फिर 0.022 into 120. So that would be equals to 0.0225 into 9.8 into 120. So that equals to approximately 26.5 Newton. So that is 26.5 Newton. That is the force value that orbits of the Earth at a distance of this much kilometer from the Earth's surface, and weight of 120 kg equipment placed in a geostationary satellite. So that is the force, weight of the equipment within the geostationary satellite.